From this video, you will get tips to prepare for JN0-481 Data Center Specialist JNCIS-DC exam. Overview of JN0-481 Data Center Specialist JNCIS-DC exam. JN0-481 exam information. Exam objectives. Top study strategies. 1. Which statement is correct about the Juniper Apstra rendered configuration? A. It is built at commit time and stored in a MySQL database. B. It is stored in a NoSQL database and incrementally updated. C. It is dynamically tendered at commit time. D. It is rendered from the graph database and stored locally. Answer: C. 2. Which three statements describe intent-based analytics? Choose 3. A. It indicates when device operating versions require updating. B. It is a real-time information processing pipeline. C. It is used to establish network performance baselines. D. It alerts the network operator when network performance moves away from the baseline. E. It collects information from vendor websites. Answer: B, C, D. 3. Juniper Apstra has indicated an anomaly with respect to cabling. What are 2 ways to remediate the issue? Choose 2. A. Manually edit the cabling map. B. Redeploy the errant device. C. Set the invalid ports to a disabled state. D. Have Apstra auto-remediate the cabling map using LLDP. Answer: A, D. 4. You are adding a new switch to Juniper Apstra software. The Managed Devices page shows the Zero Oxygen Monosulfide Quarantined status. What is the proper next step to make the device ready for use in a blueprint? A. Acknowledge the device. B. Take the device out of maintenance mode. C. Install the agent for the device. D. Take the device out of drain state. Answer: A. 5. You want to make a widget appear on the main dashboard in Juniper Apstra. In this scenario, which statement is correct? A. When creating the widget, select the Add to Blueprint Dashboard option. B. On the Blueprint dashboard, click on the Add Widget option. C. Widgets automatically appear on the Blueprint dashboard. D. Set the default toggle switch to on for the desired widget. Answer: D. 6. You have recently committed a change after creating a new blueprint in Juniper Apstra. In the main dashboard, you see a number of anomalies related to BGR. What is a likely cause of these anomalies? A. You have misconfigured ASNs. B. The fabric has not converged yet. C. Spine leaf links are incorrectly set. D. A generic system has not been configured. Answer: B. 7. Within Managed Devices in the Juniper Apstra UL, you notice that several devices have the OOS quarantined status. The devices cannot be added to any blueprint. Which action would solve this problem? A. Acknowledge the device. B. Fix the hardware issues with the quarantined devices. C. Install the agent, even though connectivity is established. D. Upload a new pristine configuration. Answer: A. 8. Using the Juniper Apstra multi-NANCI capabilities, which approach will allow a tenant to interconnect two different routing zones? A. Interconnection is the default behavior. B. Use interconnection through the fabric spine nodes. C. Interconnection cannot be enabled. D. Use interconnection through an external gateway. Answer: D. 9. Which two actions are required during Juniper Apstra's deploy phase? Choose 2. A. Assign device profiles to the blueprint. B. Assign user roles to the blueprint. C. Assign interlace maps to the blueprint. D. Assign resources to the blueprint. Answer: AD. 10. In the Juniper Apstra design phase, which object dictates port count, port speed, and how the ports would be used? A. Logical devices. B. Rack type. C. Network devices. D. Interface map. Answer: D. Subscribe and like past question.